Ang tagal naman, Lord. Huwag ka mag-antay. You have to understand there are two things in life. It's either I'm taking what's mine or I'm just waiting for it to be given, to receive. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Dami kang pangarap? Wild, malaki? Dahil naisip mo yan, itinanim yan. At nandyan na yan available. In science, we call it quantum field.
Nangyari na.
Nangyari na. The 5D world. Kaso labat wala pa. Hindi kanda eh. No ngayon, anong culture natin? Grind. Grind.
Yeah,
Hustle.
I was about to say.
Hustle. Hustle. Palakihan ng di baling magkasakit. Okay lang. Tapos sasabihin mo sa anak mo, anak, pasensya na ha. Para to sa pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Tapos eto, nagkakasakit ka na. Hindi. I have to get it. I have to get. Nakuha mo. But then again, it created all the crazy disaster in your life. Because you took what's yours, but you're not ready yet. You need to prepare your vessel. Kasi pag handa ang vessel, Bray, ilalapag yan ang pusa. Ibibigay. Again, two things. Taking it versus just receiving. But some people kasi, ang tagal naman, Lord. Huwag ka mag-antay. Mag-prepare ka.